Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video is going to show you kind of a trick that I came up with to help hold this tarp on top of my shed for the winter. And it's kind of an easier way to secure it down other than using stakes. But before I get to that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment on the channel. I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe. Got a lot of great stuff coming out, and you don't want to miss any cool stuff. So let's get rolling on this thing. So the problem that I had is I have the shed that's kind of getting old right now, and the roof on it's been like a little leaky. It's not really bad, but I just wanted to keep the snow off it and stuff. We're in New Hampshire and winter's coming. It's coming fast. So I had to get this tarp up there. And in the past I've tied the thing off the trees and tried like tent stakes, and tent stakes usually tend to pull out. So I had some of these Romex, wire staples to help secure electrical wire in your house to like a wall, something like that. And I kind of came up with an idea to kind of bang these into the wooden platform that's under the shed. So I kind of walk around and show you what I did. So kind of like started off over here, got a couple corners secure, and started from, grabbed the eyelet up there, it came down to the corner and kind of just banged in one of the staples right there. Hey Shannon, you want to be in the video? So I'm all kind of worked their way around here, and I have one more at the end and I'll show you what I'm up to, but I just figured I'd stop real quick, do a quick video on it, because I figured maybe it would help one of you guys out. Even if you have just some of these staples kicking around the toolbox and you want to try something different, to me it should let less wind up and under the tarp, because it's not coming down at an angle. So the less wind underneath this thing, the better. The more secure it should be through a blizzard and stuff like that. So let's go hang out with Shannon over here and we'll bang this other one in. So I already started to tap one of these staples in, but literally just get it started and tap it in with the hammer. Leave a gap like that, and thread your rope through whatever it is that you're using. So I'm gonna thread this through it, and I'm doing this on one hand, so I gotta try to videotape at the same time. This isn't gonna be a nice professional video. Well, none of mine really are, but hey, don't lick the camera, Shannon. So you gotta get your dog out of the way. Just kind of thread it through, and then pull it tight, and then make sure the eyelet and the tarp is tight against the shed or whatever it is that you're trying to secure this to. So once you have that through, it's kind of tie it off, pull it down, make sure it's nice and tight, loop it off like another time. Like to go around like with 3 different knots. We have some really bad blizzards around here. Pull it to the side so you don't cut it when you're trying to bang the staple back in. Come around, and you can cut off any excess rope if you'd like to. So you can see like it's pretty good. Like it pulled the top pretty close to the side of the shed. It's on there pretty securely, and should help to, I gotta do one more right there. It should help to keep the wind from getting up and under it quite a bit, where it's kind of straight down and it's not out at an angle. So it's kind of a quick, easy one today, and just a quick trick that is kind of pulling off over here, and thought might be something you're trying to do and you don't know, you have some stuff in your toolbox, you don't feel like going out to buy anything. So hope this helps somebody out, and don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later.